Today's video based on people, dark skin people, any skin type you have. You just want to change your cream, or you just want to try a new cream. People that don't want to change their skin type, people who don't want to bleach their skin or brighten their skin, or tone your skin, brighten your skin, or blend your skin to keep the same skin they have. So this video is for you guys. Stay tuned and watch this video to the end. So if you have interest in buying these products, you will know how to use it. Hey beautiful people, it's me, your girl Alicia, aka Proud Mommy. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of watching my video, you are welcome. If you have already subscribed to my channel, thank you very much. I appreciate. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, so subscribe and do not forget to hit the notification bell, so whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first person to watch it. Today's video, I'm going to talk about this product. So this product, my kids have been using this product for over a year, and this product is a very nice product, I must say. Stay tuned and listen if you have interest on buying this product, so you know how this cream is going to react on your skin, if it's going to work for you. Let's talk about the cream. So I'm going to explain each and every one of them. So I think this video will be a little bit longer. First product we have here, it's this one. Is a face cream. It's a face cream from them. This is a face cleanser, and this one is a cleanser too. So this one is hydrating cleanser. This one looks like a cream inside. So when you apply this cleanser on your face, it looks like when you apply cream on your face. So this is how this cleanser look. So it has oil inside. So this cleanser is actually meant for normal to dry skin. Okay, so if you have oily skin, if you have oil on your face, don't go for this cleanser. They also have another cleanser which is foam cleanser, dry skin. Okay, so I finished that and I threw that away a long time ago. That one has blue. Okay, it has blue in this place, so you can find it. It has blue like this. Okay, so when I apply this cleanser on my face looks so soft, like so hydrated. You know, when you apply cream on your face, too much cream on your face, so that's how this cleanser looks. So for me, it was not really good for me because I have oil on my face, and this cleanser is for people that have dry skin. So people that have oil on their face, oily skin, so this cleanser is not going to work for you. Why? Because this cleanser already have oil inside. So you applying another oil in your face is not going to make sense. So that's why I stopped using this cleanser and I go for the other one. I finished that already and I threw the container away, because I never really had the thought of sharing the reviews with you guys. The other one I'm talking about, the color is blue here. It's blue, and they wrote foam cleanser. Okay, so it has foam, and it's really good for people who have normal skin and people who have oily skin. So if you have dry skin, like your face is so dry, so you go for this cleanser. If you have oil on your face, I would recommend you go for the blue one. The foamy cleanser is really good, and this cleanser is so good. It removes all the makeups on your face and is really nice. Good. It's a natural product. It's not a cleanser that will bleach your skin or tone your skin. Is natural. So this cleanser is suitable for children and is suitable for adults. One, maybe you might have seen it. So I go for this one and the cream. This multi cleanser is for dry, rouge, popped skin. I bought this cleanser when I have a lot of pimples on my face. This was so rough and red, rouge. So when my face was so horrible, so I bought this cleanser. I was using this cleanser to wash my face every day, and I also buy the cream. Okay, so after washing my face with this cleanser, I apply this cream for different kinds of things. So this cleanser will help you out, and this cream too will do a great job. I recommend this cleanser for rouge faces, scratching you have a lot of scratch on your face, you have a lot of pimples. For instance, you scratch your face and your face is so red and you are tired of your face, like you don't know what to do. So go get this cleanser and the cream. So this cream is a little bit hot. So when you apply this cream on your face, it's going to heal it. It's going to heal that particular place when you apply it too. Not just normal cream you apply. And you have to be careful with your eyes too. So when you apply this cream on your face, do not put it close to your eyes, because this cream is so warm and hot a little bit. Okay, you're going to experience the feeling like 2 seconds or 1 minute, like so warm, you know. So that's the good thing about this product. So this is SPF. The SPF is 25, so it's not that much. So I apply this SPF on their faces before stepping out. Even if it's winter or summer, they always wear SPF. It's really good to protect your face from sunlight, to protect your face from sun damage, and also to keep your face protected. So you have to protect your face. That's number one. Very important to get that. This is face cream. So this face cream, I was using this face cream on my own. So after washing my face with a cleanser, I just apply this face cream on my face, and that's it. It has natural ingredient inside, and also you will love it, and also it's really nice. So this one is a cream you apply under your eye area to protect your eyes, and also to make your eye look nice and also look cute, you know. So just take a little bit of it like this. You see, this is how it looks inside, like this, and apply it on your eyes just here. This one is just under the eyes, and on top of it like this, just massage it. So that's how it looks inside. Okay, cleansing water. So I pour this cleansing water in the cotton pad, and after washing my face with a cleanser, so I apply it on my face and I clean my face with it. So I'm using this one to clean my face. Moisturizing cream, like this one, like a body cream. Okay, so I bought this should in case maybe I'm going out and my hands are dry, so I apply this on my hands. So I just put this in my bag when going out, so it's always in my bag. So now we talk about the cream. This is the cream, and this is the one we were using before. So I decided to keep this container because I want to share the reviews with you guys. So the rest of the container I'll be using, I just threw them away because I don't really need it. But this came to me and said, no, I just have to keep these 2 containers and do a video with this product, okay, to share the video with you guys. So guys, so this container, we finished this container, and this is the second one. So we finish it. There is nothing inside. These 2 containers they are empty. There is nothing, no cream inside. So today I bought another cream. So I bought another one. So it's the same thing. The only difference is this one has something up here to press. Okay, they have something up, and also you can also open it and put your hand inside should in case maybe they are almost done or they are finished already and there is nothing coming out from it. You just have to put your hand inside, so it looks a little bit cute or beautiful, you know. So it's beautiful, and you see the difference. So this is the difference. It's also a moisturizing cream, so it's a dry to a very dry skin, and this one is a dry to a very dry skin. They have another one which is lotion. They have lotion. so I didn't go for the lotion because my kids, they have dry skin. Lotion is for people who have oil on their skin, okay, that don't need too much oil, so you can go for the lotion. Less cheaper, so you can go for the lotion. But for my kids, they have dry skin, so I needed to buy dry to very dry skin. So it's written here dry to very dry skin, okay, so that's why I bought this. Today when I went to the pharmacy to get this product, I couldn't find this one here because this one is more easy to press and come out, you know, than opening it. So, and I found this one, so it's the same thing, moisturizing milk for dry to very dry skin, and also is the same thing written on it. This cream is not expensive at all. I couldn't go out to the bigger pharmacy in downtown. I just buy for a small pharmacy close to my home. I bought one of these, 19 euro 90 cents. When I buy two, is around 40 euros, okay. And I went to the big pharmacy, and guess what, I found these ones. I bought these two for 25 euros. Okay, so in the bigger, if you have a big pharmacy in your city, it's more cheaper there than a small pharmacy. Okay, so it's the same thing, but the difference is this one, because it has something here, is a little bit expensive than this, so the price of this one is much expensive. Okay, it's the same thing, you are going for this or you are going for that. And this one is the Balm hydrated. So this one is different from the lotion. So the lotion is like a liquid, it's like a water, you know, it's just like water like this because it's lotion. You see, this one is the Balm, and it's very thick. You see, it's very thick inside. So the lotion, you know, lotion is liquid, so I didn't go for the lotion because the lotion is like a liquid, and my kids, they need something to hydrate their body. They need oil in their skin. If you have oily skin, your skin, you don't need too much of oil, you go for the lotion. But if you have dry skin, just like my kids, I say you go for this one. You see, this is the difference. This one is a Balm hydrating cream. So this one, this is how it looks inside. See, it's very thick. Okay, you see, it's very thick, and it's so moisturized when you apply this on your face, on your body. The good thing about this cream is you can apply this cream all over the body. You can apply this cream on your face, you can apply this cream everywhere. It's not just body cream. You know, there are some cream you apply them only for the body, not for the face, but this one is for the body and for the face. So the good thing about this product is for adults and for kids. When you apply this cream on your body, the cream will hydrate your skin throughout the day. But one thing about this product is they don't have any perfume inside. They don't smell. They don't have any smell. So they are just normal cream, like no smell. So that's it. But for people who don't worry about the smell, okay, you can go try this product. Like your skin is really dry, go for this cream. It's gonna moisturize your skin, and you're gonna love it, and it's gonna hydrate your skin. And this has a natural lighting ingredient inside. So this product is suitable for kids, it's suitable for adults, and also a mother can use it, whole family can use this cream. I talk about the benefit, why I decided to keep using this cream for my kids, and why I am not using this cream. So for me, I'm a black girl, so I want something to lighten up my complexion a little bit, to have one or two shades lighter. This cream is a natural cream, and it's not gonna brighten my skin, and it's not going to tone my skin or blend my skin to that color I want. This cream It's for people who want to keep the same skin tone they have. Like you are a black girl and you just want to keep your black skin intact. You are a fair girl, you just want to maintain your color and don't want to change it. The same color you have this year, you will have next year, you will have every year. Okay, this cream can make it. And also I decided to try this product on my kids because I don't want to use anything for my kids that is going to brighten their color or tone their skin type or bleach their skin. They are just kids. Okay, all they need is something that will moisturize their skin, that will give oil to their skin and protect their skin from sunlight. So that's what kids want and that's what they need. And I decided to buy this cream for my children and it's really working well for them. This product did not give them white patches on their face. It did not give them black nails or black hands, no. So this product gives them the same color they have on their face all over their body. And also their skin is so cool. So if you are chocolate skin, it's gonna maintain your skin and your real skin, your real color will be out. If you are a black skin person, this cream is gonna also maintain your skin and your real color will be out. That's the benefit of this cream. So the good thing about this cream is it's not gonna add to your color, it's not gonna blend you, it's not gonna brighten you, it's not gonna bleach you. It's just a normal cream for kids and for adults. If you are a mom, you have normal skin, you never want to bleach your skin or brighten your skin, this cream is for you. If also you are a dad and also you just want to keep the same skin tone you have, this cream is for you. It's not going to add to your skin, it's not going to take from it, but what it will do is to maintain your skin, to make sure that your skin will glow beautiful, like natural glow. Yes, natural glowing, just natural. You can also go to their website CeraVe.com, or if you're in France, CeraVe.fr. Anywhere you are, you can also get this cream from them. Any pharmacy you can find this one, you can also find this one in France. So this one and this one is the same. If you find out that your kids have dry skin, you can go for this one because this one is going to hydrate their skin for longer time. Yeah, it's going to hydrate it for the whole day. Oh, thank you guys for watching and do have a great day. And do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the notification bell. So whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first person to watch it. Thank you for watching. Bye.